Game on, UK gives green light to Microsoft's epic $69 billion Activision Blizzard takeover. In a monumental move, the UK's Competition and Markets Authority has officially given its blessing to Microsoft's blockbuster acquisition of gaming giant Activision Blizzard, marking the final milestone for the $69 billion deal to proceed. Since Microsoft's initial proposal in January 2022, regulatory hurdles in the US, Europe, and the UK had posed challenges. Concerns about potential competition reduction in the gaming sphere, notably in the burgeoning realm of cloud gaming, were at the forefront. Now, with this approval, the gaming landscape is poised for a transformative shift, unleashing exciting possibilities for gamers worldwide.
Download Toro Alerts app and get free options alerts for 2 weeks.